My best friend of 11 years stopped speaking to me 3 years ago. No fight, no explanation. She just disappeared. But every single morning, she still opens my Instagram profile. Last week, I installed a tool that shows who actually visits your profile. Not likes, not story views, the real visits, with usernames, with exact timestamps. I thought I would see a few strangers, maybe an ex. Instead, the very first name on the list was her, the friend who acts like I no longer exist. 419 visits in 2 months, almost all of them before 7 in the morning, before she has even had her coffee. The first thing she does when she wakes up is check on the person she swore she was finished with. Then it got worse. She has a second account I never knew about. No photo, no posts, 9 followers. And that account watches every story I post within the first 2 minutes. Every single one. I scrolled further and I found her sister, her new boyfriend. 3 people from her life I have never even met, all quietly studying my page like a case file they keep reopening. Here is what nobody tells you. The people who cut you off are not the ones who moved on. They are the ones who cannot look away. Silence is not closure. Silence is surveillance. The ones who block you, ghost you, pretend you never existed, they check the most. Because walking away was the lie. Watching is the truth. I can see all of it now. Every name, every timestamp, every person who decided I was not worth a single reply, but still cannot start their day without me. The link is in the description.